in Eden Prairie, but I did a live stream there last time. Now we're looking for the Mary Tyler Moore statue, which is going to be coming up. So it's actually right over there by Dayton's. So, who could turn the world on with her smile? Who could take a nothing day and suddenly make it all seem worthwhile? It's over here somewhere?
Yep, right
there. There it is. That's where Mary Tyler Moore threw her hat in the air.
No, it's
all right.
Mary Tyler Moore.
You want me to stop?
No, we don't need to stop. We saw it.
Did you guys see it?
Yeah.
It looked like Buddy Holly. Oh, and you're Mary Tyler Moore. All right.
Okay, now where do I go?
So now we want to go to Knesset Israel Synagogue, Ken.